Popping on the block, I never serve a cop. I always kept a Glock, I ain't about to see the grade. Pull up, I make quick stop, I shot one stop, I'm hop 7.
What up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm about to make stack jeans for y'all today. Gray turning into black. And yeah, you know. About to get to it. First, you're gonna need 2 pair of jeans. First, you're gonna need 2 pair of jeans, scissors, needle, and thread. Boom. Alright, yo. First, you're gonna need 2 pair of jeans. My other pair right here. And boom, I'm gonna get back. First, we got cut however tall you want your the extended part to go. So I'm about to do that for you real quick. And so you can see that I don't notice that the camera ain't getting what I'm cutting, so I'm cutting it out. Boom. I just made, this is the second pair I'm making today. So the first ones, I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. Boom. But you know, that's cool, that's straight. And you want to make the other side the same length though. So boom. As you can see, I still don't know that the camera do not see what I'm showing. So I'm gonna cut this out too. Now you got capris. Boom. Right? So with these two, they gonna go on the bottoms of these right here, right? And they going, I'm gonna show y'all these joints gonna be tough. Watch. This is a disclaimer. These joints are not tough. Next thing you wanna do, flip them inside out and slide them on and make sure the bottom's matched up. Feel me? Just make sure the bottom's matched up. Slide them on there. Make sure they're inside out though. If they're not inside out, then you messed up. But next, get your needles and your thread. What you're supposed to do is, right? Boom. Supposed to find the color. That's the color of the pants. This looking like the darkest color in here too. So, oh, never mind, I lied. That's black. Shoot, that's black. I can't even tell. It's black. It is what it is. But, boom. Alright. After you do that, you get your thread. You gotta put it on your mouth. You know, it helps. I took sewing classes. That's what they told me. Feel me? Oh, don't do that though. You put the needle through the loop, do it arm's length, you know. Bro, come on, dog. Bro, are you serious? Voila. Damn. Freak. Hold up. Come on. Come on. It's through there. I just gotta grab it. Bro, I can't get this joint. I'm gonna get back to you after I do this. Alright, I got it all sewed on. Feel me? I know you see it. It's all sewed on around. But now, gotta sew this one. Gotta sew this one. So, I'll be back. I'm gonna do this. Alright, man. I just finished them. About to unroll these Johns. So, hold up. I don't know if I'm gonna feel these ones, man. Listen. Don't mind my ashy knees, bro. Yeah, I don't know about these ones. But we gonna try them on, though. Hold up. Alright, man. I don't know if they look nice or what. Alright, man. I don't like how these Jones look. So, this the vid, though. So, y'all comment. Y'all tell me. Hold on, let me set y'all up. Y'all comment. Oh, come on. Y'all can comment y'all 2 cents though. Feel me? I probably won't wear them anyway. But you know, that's what it is. Gang. I get down, I'm emotionally scarred. It's so hard to trust a girl with this vest around my heart. It's like they ripping it apart. I need a girl that's finer than some art, and I'm hoping that she would never.